Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm creating a layout for the My Creative Scrapbook design team. I am using the absolutely gorgeous main kit for the month of June. And if you haven't seen my unboxing, I'll leave a link listed down below in the description box. This kit is filled with the Pink Fresh Studio Fresh Start collection. So I have got this photo of my daughter with some of her friends at prom. My daughter is the one in the yellow dress. That's Tatum. And I was really drawn to the butterfly paper because, as you can see, it looks like the paper was just made for this photo. I just love that it brings out all of the colors in the girls' dresses. Now, I cut this paper to 10 by 10, and let me show you the sketch. So last month, in the month of May, the Mix It Up Monday group did this sketch, and I wasn't able to participate, but I loved this sketch. So I printed it out and put it in my to-do pile. And so I want to repeat that. I want to create the 3 layers. So this pattern paper here with the butterflies, like I said, I cut this to 10 by 10, and then off camera, I have distressed the edges with my edge distressing tool, and I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and then we can build the layers on top of it. Now, I am going to tell you, this might be my fastest layout ever. In fact, I was just really taken back and surprised that this kit, all of the pages I made just came together so quickly. You know, at first I wasn't sure what to think of the kit, and then the more I started working with it, the more I absolutely fell in love with it. So let me go ahead and snip the edges off of this paper first before I start gluing down my layers. I think it'll help me see where the paper is actually on the background page. So I just glued this to a piece of 12 by 12 white cardstock. I do buy all of my cardstock, my white cardstock, in bulk on Amazon, and that way I've got a ton of it and it's very sturdy. I will leave a link to that down below, as well as a link to the My Creative Scrapbook website, where if you're not already a kit subscriber, you can subscribe to the kit. And if you are not already a subscriber, when you join, add my name, Melissa Minor, so that way they know I sent you and they'll send you a free gift. All right, this blue pattern paper here, I cut this to 7 by 7. Again, I distressed the edges off camera. And now this last piece, this is the pink. Oh, I love this paper. I cut this to 6 by 6. So I'm just going to mat all 3 of these down, and then I can add my photo. I did print this photo at home on my Epson PictureMate 400, and I printed it 3 by 4. So I thought that was a good size. And then I'm going to put this over here. You know what? I might as well just glue this down now. So looking at the sketch, it looks like they left a little bit of the corner peeking out. So since they did that in the sketch, I'm going to go ahead and repeat that. I'm going to bring out my liquid glue here to glue the photo down so it gets a good stick to it. So these girls have been, they've been in school together since they were little. If you've been watching my channel, you've probably been following along. And this, they don't have their heels on. They've got like their flats or Birkenstocks or whatever. This was taken actually at the prom dance. I've got lots and lots of prom photos to scrapbook. Now this title came in, are they puffy stickers or chipboard? I think they're chipboard, but it came on the chipboard sticker sheet, and I thought this title was perfect. It says, "So Much to Smile About." So I'm going to go ahead and get that stuck down. And then I love this little washi tape look. So I'm going to add a little bit of foam to the back on just the part that's going to be off of the photo. So that way, when it touches the photo, it'll just lay down flush. So let me go ahead and peel the backing off of this foam tape, and we'll get that stuck down. I don't want to cover up the girls' heads, but I kind of want it over to the right since I have got the title over to the left. I love the way this is looking already. Now, I've made several other layouts already this month, and I was out of flowers. So I pulled out all of my butterflies and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to put all of them on this page. So this is the rest of the butterflies that I had in my kit. Now, I think I did use a couple butterflies on another layout, or I would have had more. I kind of wish I would have had a couple more, but I am going to just dry fit these and just get these on the page. So I'm going to move them around, kind of twist them different directions. Now, of course, this isn't anything like the sketch. The only thing is like the sketch is the pattern papers that I have in the background. But I just thought this was really pretty and kind of a unique way to document some prom photos. And these butterflies are all just really pretty in color. So I am going to kind of move these around. And then once I'm happy with this, I will start gluing them down. Now, I won't make you watch me do all of that because I am going to add foam tape to the back of each of these. But I do want to just try to dry fit them and get them where I like them arranged on the layout. So I will do that here, just rearrange a couple. And yeah, I'm liking this. I think I am ready to start gluing things down. So I'm going to pause the camera, add some foam tape just to the centers of the butterflies to give this page some dimension. All right, so I am going to start with this first one here, and then the rest, I will be back once I have the rest of these all in place. So let me get this one down. There we go. All right, so magic of camera here. I have all of the rest of the butterflies glued down with that foam tape, and I've got this one extra, and I was trying to decide where I want it, and I think I want to add it up here just to fill in that spot. Originally, I thought they would just go down like the right side of the page, but since I've got just this one left, I'm going to add it right here, and now that way all of that pink pattern paper has butterflies on it. So I think that looks really cute. Now, this layout, had so much going on. I thought about adding mixed media, and I thought, no, I just love the way it is. I'm trying to show you the dimension here on what that looks like. And I'm holding it up thinking I'm finished. Once I turned the camera off, I decided I wanted a couple more embellishments. So here we go. I've added the little notebook paper and another flower over here. And that's going to finish up today's layout. I told you it was a fast one today. Super quick, super easy, super fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me there. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions about the My Creative Scrapbook kits, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!